Welcome! Grab your crayons and let's draw cute pictures together. Are you ready? Let's go!
Hi little artists, today we're drawing the happiest watermelon popsicle ever. Before you go, can you solve today's drawing challenge? Tap like, subscribe, and come back tomorrow for a brand new surprise drawing. It has a big smile and sparkling eyes because it's ready to make everyone happy. Do you like watermelon? It's sweet, juicy, and perfect on a sunny day. Let's grab our markers and bring this cute popsicle. Yummy yummy! This happy watermelon popsicle is smiling just for you. Today's word is watermelon. Spell it with me. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. Let's learn colors: red, green, white, and black. Great job, little artist! Before you go, can you solve today's drawing challenge? Tap like, subscribe, and come back tomorrow for a brand new surprise drawing.